Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus F509DA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Asus F509DA fan is making a loud noise, you're not alone. This can happen due to dust accumulation, a worn-out bearing, or even a misaligned fan. If left untreated, it could lead to overheating and potentially damage your device's internal components. So, let's address this issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, some compressed air, and a replacement fan compatible with the Asus F509DA. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them somewhere safe. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around to avoid damaging the clips holding it in place. With the back panel removed, locate the fan. It's usually situated near the center of the device and connected by a couple of screws and a cable. Take note of the screws holding the fan in place and remove them with your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you remember their original positions. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard by pulling it straight out, making sure not to tug on the wires. Now, gently lift the fan out of its compartment. If you notice any dust or debris, use the compressed air to clean the area. Take your new fan and place it into the same position as the old one, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the fan cable back to the motherboard, applying just enough pressure to secure it without damaging the connector. Now, replace the screws to secure the fan in place, ensuring they are tightened adequately but not over-tightened to avoid stripping the threads. Before replacing the back panel, it's a good idea to give the interior a quick clean with the compressed air, ensuring no dust remains. Once everything looks good, align the back panel with the laptop and press it down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the back panel back onto the device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent your fan from making noise again, ensure to clean your laptop regularly, keep it in a dust-free environment, and avoid blocking the ventilation areas. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.